dangerous. Let Baylor fly as a scout, start at Harrenhal and report to the North. I will, in addition, offer a bounty for the capture of their riders.
We don't have a bounty.
We will find them. Better yet, to the slayer of Aengon, I will grant Harrenhal is. I may leave it now. All the Riverlands are mine.
Yes, Aegon and all the rat houses.
As honoured as I am to act as your protector, my place is with my men in the city. I would counsel you to appoint a Queen's Guard as a matter of emergency.
Damon will use the method to put the match to him for Queen.
It seems rats have eaten through a large store of candles. Talon assured me we must requisition a new supply or sit in darkness. Of course, there is an item yet to control the
So that's a way.
I come back to control the harbor.
Move back.
Enough.
There is time and plenty in the coming days to discuss the royalty.
Where is my gold? Your gold? The crown's gold, the treasury. You cannot claim it now.
It was the Master of Coins who moved it.
And the Queen knew nothing of it.
They hated me from the start. It was under my influence, my mere presence. My own father kept that property.
Is that so?
I would refer you to the man himself, but you slew him without ceremony.
Did it make you feel better? About losing Jace?
I would rather have slain Aegon as your brother and I had agreed. But here we are. He is gone, and I can't believe you had no hand in that either.
He did that to himself. Egon was fled when I returned from Dragonstone. It's all while making his account.
His account? Or yours? Do not treat me as a fool.
It isn't mine, so you see. Every this is a scheme devised by Lysstrong. I confess, I cannot help but fall short.
Where is Baylor? Who rides sheepskin?
I do not know! Is anyone not blown away, as I promised? Did the guards with the parapets not stop you to pass? I have done all I could. Will you blame me only for what men have done?
Once we could go, we broke the odds. We ran.
No one knows what he looked like. Egon. He is scarred and burned. His dragon is dead, declared and devastated. You can't find him if Laris tries to raise him up. You can dismiss him as an imposter.
You understood himself.
He killed me? I don't want to stay in this room.
My position is such that I must hope.
True. But would I not be surprised that in a house as big as this one there were only one rat? I am much troubled about Miss Vandera, whom we now hold captive.
Does she know?
By rights, I should have his head for a traitor.
He is an heir to Aegon and a threat to you.
He is also my half-brother. It's an Aegon named Harris. Why should I not know? Why should I not strike him as my own sons were struck?
There is none to stop you.
There are mountains to be told and have none yet to trust. My lady in waiting, Melinda,
Diplomacy is now in the city, having served us well, then.
I should send to her, saying, let's start the quest. Fire is in the air. Those who cleave to the heart must be replaced.
Good morrow, Your Grace. A blessing in the name of this heaven to your wife.
I thank you for your swift attendance here. Much has changed in the last few days.
These are turbulent times.
I must willingly forego a right hand of the coronation, but I still wish at least to be anointed by you, in full sight of the people.
Alas, that it cannot be done.
For what reason?
2 months ago, I anointed your brother Aegon and declared him the rightful king before gods and men.
Yes, Aegon is dead, and I now sit the throne.
So you now say.
Is it your contention that I'm alive?
As remains. Nor have the Silent Sisters been summoned to protect you.
I have received no error. I am my father's heir. And the gods themselves decree that I am the raised me up and cast the usurper into ruin.
That's happened. It is true.
How is it they did not do it? The dragon that killed me. In the graciousness.
My gods do not deal with dragons. They are a profane magic created in darkness and drive lust for power, for impurity. They destroy. There's no good that can come of them.
You have made your position exceedingly
With respect, I advise you, do not make an enemy of the faithful. It exalts, comforts, and binds together your people. Underestimate it at your peril.
I must confess to you now, yes. I will find your brother. There are more of you. Shipwright and merchant.
See it now. You need to know what to their sons are no less scouted
Needs to show himself working more than doing before now.
These valiant in both the stepstones and lately in the college. You have shown yourself a leader of men.
I was only doing my duty. Yes.
And Adam, in my assurance of the gods' favour, when my hope had waned less and less.
It's my great honor to serve you, Your Grace. To that end, my queen, I have acknowledged
hungry?
No.
Oh. Just teasing, are you ready?
Oh,
10 minutes.
it's fine. I'll still eat it. Okay.
Good girl.
Steady as they may be. I've got all this work over from far. I've not yet come back for them, so. Well, they weren't much expected. My resources are few. I do not know what satisfaction I can be. To say they have looked but I mean the jobs. I would wear no this woman. Should stop with the sword like that not contradict what you wish to convey to petitioners in need. Okay. The gravity. But, of course, I'll fetch all the ones. I am a wizard, and my trade is in war. We have a great shortage now in police, and such ships as there are have been taken by dragons. Might not refuse to be harvested before the animal has been seen. That's easy. It would be a help, surely, but there are many of them built. To restore our resources, we would need an investment. 100 golden dragons.
With regards to the sheep, I'll say please. Such an outcome does nothing to the way it is. This is the first thing,
Is there no gain to be had?
not for mine. You're the highest contented for artists. If we could but receive some expenditure from the crown, that would be a bold gesture, Your Grace. One that would have offended your royal forebears.
Nice stag your wars. But, rabbits,
The great discussion in a forum other than this. Let the next petition come.
But for justice, for what the common folk have suffered these long months.
The blockade is lifted. It will not be long now before trade
It was
retreats.
not only the blockade that drove us to want your grace. It was the rich, the noble lords. They bought up everything they could for their storehouses and left the poorer folk with nothing.
Is this true?
I am no innocent, my queen. It is the way of the world. But when the high will take even what side while the lowborn starve, then that is a matter I will put before my queen, who came to power as a champion of her people.
It is a dangerous element that seeks to blame the wealthy for the city's woes. In a war, all suffer.
Some more than others.
Is it so? Yet, at times I fancy there is a couple of irresponsible hands used to strike the
Zara, the problem is protection of their people. It is a covenant broken at our peril.
They help us for good and security.
They look to us for meat and fuel for their fires.
And who is us? In your telling,
I have earned my seat at this table, though I was not born to it. I will leave others to judge which path most has merit.
Is Bailey returned? What news of Bailey, Shakespeare?
the only dragon you saw in summer. One brother decayed. She flies upon the sea.
Let us send Adam with her.
I cannot have for long. We will have justice.
I wouldn't have justice. Humble, crumbs of it being snatched, I will devour.
In the meantime, Your Grace, I urge you, turn your mighty issue before
There is no issue. The rebellion completing their dissatisfaction at the order of things.
Lord Cornish,
I defer to the Queen.
You citizens,
what would your father do?
a banquet, I think. Great day for the three of you.
we are much honoured, Your Grace.
Oh, how are you styling yourself?
Oh, Targaryen, Your Grace.
Oh, absolutely not.
Then I have no style.
So fashion. White, then?
Good. And you?
I'm a blacksmith by trade. I got that hammer.
Cue the hammer. Off the right. And Adam of Hull.
As do I. Until then,
Since then, I wish to consent to the incarceration of Dylan.
Your Grace. I was wondering, so, living on that stuff, now that we're in King's
Yes. I had promised to give her a few in one.
She's gone. I went into the city to find her and to hear she's off with the rock. Something for her.
Always such thing a house for you on the same scale.
And when might that be? Your Grace.
As soon as I can. I have no sort of counsel at present. Nor a Queen's Guard to serve me. I am awash in dilemmas and deficiencies. Let me find my footing. And I will attend to my quest.
Quick down.
With samples. Here goes. I'm so very sharp on smoke. I have a small request only. Only that my father's remains be sent to Old Town. Probably in line, quite
Where are you sitting?
Yeah. I've started to pinch this seat, haven't I?
You think you're head of the table now, do you?